Hello guys, my name is Mahesh and in this video I'm gonna answer a few questions about React Native. What is React Native? Why React Native? And who are using React Native? React Native is a framework for building native applications for Android and iOS using JavaScript. It was created by Facebook in 2015 and over the past few years it's gained a lot of popularity all over the world. If you have basic knowledge about JavaScript, then it will be very easy for you to learn and understand React Native. By using React Native, we can save time and money. Let's consider we are building native applications using Android and iOS. For that, we need two separate teams to build applications and we'll have two separate code bases for each app. First team will work on Java or Kotlin for Android application and second team will work on Swift or Objective-C for iOS application. But in React Native, we can make these applications in single code base and with single team. In React Native, we use a JavaScript extension called a JSX to write the React Native app. As we use a JavaScript in React Native, so there is a misconception about React Native is it does not create native apps. But the fact is, it provides a core set of platform agnostic native components like view, text and image that maps directly to the platform's native UI building blocks. To build native apps, we need few seconds or even more than a minute according to size of the application. React Native have delightful feature called hot reloading. You can see your changes as soon as you save. With the power of JavaScript, React Native lets you iterate at lightning speed. No more waiting for native builds to finish. Save, see and repeat. React Native is supported by Facebook and community driven, and today React Native is supported by contributions from individuals and companies around the world including CallStack, Expo, Infinite Trade, Microsoft and Software Mention. React Native is being used in thousands of apps, but it's likely you have already used it in one of these apps. This brings us at the end of the video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.